How was the test today?
Sir, very easy.
Sir, it was nice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
It
it
was
was
nice.
But
Nice.
sir, some
It
questions
was very
were
nice.
Yes, sir, one or two questions were
very
difficult, sir.
difficult to understand.
Yes, sir, difficult to understand, but easy to do.
Like third question.
Yes, sir. Sir, in some question I was confused to we have to take out the distance between the from where he has started and where he reached or the total distance.
So these some questions that you are talking about, they were tricky. Intentionally, these questions were given to you all just to see that how much you have understood the topic. And it is, you should not take reasoning as a subject where मतलब, you want to score very good marks, or just like any other subject, you don't take it reasoning in that way. You take reasoning as a subject where you can test yourself, you can test your brain, you can test your IQ, plus at the same time you can have growth in yourself, and it helps you in your preparation for competitive exams also. So all these are benefits with reasoning. So it's good to test yourself with some new and difficult questions. That is why.
So we will start with mensuration.
Yes, we will start the new chapter today with mensuration. The board is visible, clear.
Yes, sir, visible
Yes,
clearly.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any doubts in any of the questions in the test today? Do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And any doubt from the chapter constructions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So the either end question means that the person was in the middle.
Sorry,
Sir,
Aditya,
the either
Mishra.
end question.
Beta, your
The
voice
either end
is
question.
very low. Volume is very low. Yes. Sorry. I'm not able to hear Aditya. What are you saying? Okay, so mensuration is chapter number 20. Which chapter? Is it 20? Yes,
21.
20.
20. Start from page number.
Sir, I was saying that the either end question was that it was the person was in middle of the row.
Yes. That
Sir,
means
that was very easy question.
Yes, sir, that was very easy, sir.
Sir.
Sir, first we get the
the person was standing at 18th position from both the ends. So answer of that question is 35.
35.
Yeah.
Sir, 18 plus
Yes, sir.
18 minus 1.
Yes. 35 is the answer of that question.
And sir, we are subtracting 1 because we have counted 18 two times.
Sir,
But
we
we
can
have
do 17 plus 17 plus 1.
That also answer will be the same. Doesn't matter by using which method you are doing it. but important thing is that your answer should be correct. So in MCQ,
Sir,
that
this
only
was which
matters.
question?
Sorry,
Sir,
This was which question?
I don't know the question. But yes, better you are saying something.
sir, what was the answer of 19th question?
What was the question? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was Rina started walking from point A. She goes 10 feet towards east.
Sir, in this we have to find the hypotenuse.
Then she turns to the right and walked 3 feet. Again, she turned to the right and walked 14 feet. How far she is from point A?
So this is easy.
Answer is B. 5
Yes, sir.
So what?
B is the answer. 5 feet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to find the hypotenuse using
Yes.
Pythagoras.
In this question, you had to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Yes, sir. HYP square equals to B square plus H square.
I know that this was a little difficult for you. Matlab, not
So I
actually,
did in a different way,
not
but I
actually,
also got 5 feet.
maybe you have not done this type of question before, so that is why you may get confused.
No, sir, but it was easy.
It was easy. It was not.
Sir, but I did it in different way, but I got the 5 feet only.
difficult. What? Which? क्या नाम है उसका? उत्कर्ष, तुमने कौन सा मेथड
Yes,
यूज
sir.
किया? Have you used
सर
trigonometry?
मैंने सर
Trigonometry
नो
लगा
सर
था?
फर्स्ट सर मैंने जो भी था सर वो करा, फिर मैंने अपना फिर सोचा, मेरा आंसर 5 ही आया सर, कुछ सोचा।
कुछ ही आ गया। बिना पाइथागोरस यूज करे तो 5 आ नहीं सकता, तुक्के से आ सकता है 5। दूसरा मेथड है तुक्का लगा।
Yes, sir. I have also used sometimes tukka in these question. Sir, मतलब तुक्का नहीं सर, बिना किसी मेथड के
नहीं
सर
सर, पर कुछ
आंसर।
सोच के सर, कुछ को सोच के कि हो सकता है।
Eliminating the other options, maybe because of that. By eliminating the other options, हाँ? कि ये ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता है, like this.
सर मैंने सर उस वाले क्वेश्चन में तो एलिमिनेट करा था जिसमें सर वो बहुत सारे लिखे हुए थे कि ऑड वन आउट। बट इस बार सोच के करा सर, मतलब से मैंने एलिमिनेट भी नहीं करा, बस सोचा कि ये हो सकता है शायद।
The paper was not that easy if you do it properly by using your brain and give your best effort in your paper. It would have taken at least 50 minutes or 1 hour to complete the paper. 50 minutes.
So I had done the test in 30
Yes, sir.
minutes only, but I have to redo it. So it took 50 minutes.
Sir, I took 40 minutes.
It should take at least 45-50 minutes to do the test. If you are giving your best effort, you just not be in these. If you have time, you should not be in any kind of hurry. Read the question carefully, understand it,
Sir, I did it in 50 minutes and revised in 10 minutes.
and then submit it. Don't be in any kind of hurry.
So I did not revise because while I was redoing it was a revised kind only.
Okay, so let's start with the chapter mensuration.
20.
Chapter number 20. Okay.
So the marks was not showing.
First topic that we have to do in this chapter is area and perimeter of different shapes, mainly of rectangle. Rectangle ka area, perimeter, you all know. Okay. Yeah.
Area is made by multiplying.
Yeah.
Sir, please start mensuration.
हाँ और क्या, यही तो है mensuration ही तो है. So note down the formula which will be used in this. First of all, the area of a rectangle, you can note down the formula. Area equals to length into breadth. We all know perimeter is equal to 2L plus B. लिखूं क्या मैं, आप लोग लिख लेंगे. Can you write it on your own?
Sir, can you write please on the board?
Yes. So first is rectangle. Okay, we are talking about rectangle. Area is equal to L into B, and perimeter is 2L plus B.
L into B square unit.
Huh?
In book
yeah,
square
yeah,
unit.
yeah. If we talk about the unit, that will be square units. Okay, in short, we write L into B. Obviously, when we do the questions, we will write the unit. Perimeter is 2L plus B. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but just the
So
sum of
2L
all
plus 2.
sum of all the sides of any shape will give you the perimeter, whether it be a triangle or a rectangle or a square or a pentagon or any other shape. It should be a polygon. If you add all the sides, you will get the perimeter. Okay. Second thing is area of 4 walls of a room. In a room, generally there are 4 walls in a room. So if you have to find out the area of all the 4 walls of a room, that can also be done by using the concept of area of rectangle only. We can find it, and ultimately we reach to this. We don't have time to. I don't have time to make you understand the formula properly right now. But chalo, koi baat nahi, let me explain. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will explain you the formula.
How?
Area of
Sir,
The Karthik's mic is on.
so area is equal to area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into L plus B. I will explain how we have got this into H. Okay. A room is something like this. So it has a floor. This is the floor of the room. And these are the walls. Okay. ये wall है, ये भी सामने वाली भी wall है. This is also a wall, and this is also a wall. So there are 4 walls in a room. Okay. So, and there is a ceiling. This is the ceiling.
The roof.
This is the floor. Okay. And there are 4 walls. So there are 6 surfaces in a room. It is almost like a cuboid. Okay. So if you have to find the area of all the 4 walls, there is a method of doing it. If I suppose this is the length of the room, L, this is breadth, B, and this is the height, H. How can we find, suppose if I tell you to find the area of this wall, you can see that this wall is in which shape? It is rectangular in shape. ये वाली जो wall है, ये बिल्कुल corner वाली, this side. So this is rectangular. Rectangle का area क्या होता है? इसकी length और breadth दोनों dimensions को multiply कर देते हैं. Okay, whatever it is. So in this case, it is B and H. So if I multiply B and H, I will get BH. So this is the area of.
There is length also.
एक मिनट रुको बेटा. BH. This is the area of the first wall. Second wall, ये वाली जो wall है, which is in the front, ये वाली wall. I'm talking about this. So this is having length and height. So if I add L and H, sorry, plus L into H, this is the area of this wall, front wall. एंड ऐसी ये जो फ्रंट वॉल है इसके बिल्कुल बैक साइड में बिल्कुल सेम ऐसी वॉल है. दो वॉल्स जो अपोजिट वॉल्स जो होती हैं दे आर ऑब्वियसली एग्जैक्टली सेम इन द एरिया. दोनों का एरिया बिल्कुल सेम होता है. So LH is the area of first wall. If I multiply it by 2, I get the area of both the walls. दोनों आमने सामने वाली walls का area मुझे मिल गया 2LH. Okay. Similarly, BH is the area of this wall. ऐसी इसके opposite में एक wall है. बिल्कुल same ऐसी wall होगी आपके रूम में भी. BH plus BH it makes 2BH. तो ये चारों walls का area आ गया 2BH यानी कि आमने सामने वाली दो walls प्लस 2LH यानी कि इधर उधर वाली सामने वाली दोनों वॉल्स. तो 2BH plus 2LH makes it what? If you take 2 common and H common, 2H is common in the bracket, it will be left L plus B. Bracket में क्या बचेगा? L plus B. So we can say that the area of the four walls is 2L plus B H. बस H को लास्ट में लिख दो या पहले लिख दो, doesn't matter. Okay. So this is how you get the area of four walls of a room. कुछ नहीं है.
So, sir, what is the meaning of H here? Sir, means, sir, if we will
Height.
find two.
Height.
H is the height of the room. H क्या है?
So, sir, sir, can you give an example and then solve it?
I will give you an example. Don't worry. When we do questions, I will explain this with the help of example also. Okay. मैं आपको सिर्फ अभी फॉर्मूला समझा रहा हूँ कि क्या है. Try to understand. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Very simple it is. Walls जो है रूम की, these are 4 rectangles. Am I right or not? 4 rectangles है नहीं है. If you see the walls.
Yes, sir.
So you just add the areas of all the 4 rectangles, you get the area. Am I right? चारों rectangles के area में add कर दूँ, I get the area of all the 4 walls. Am I right or not? Are you getting my point? So
Yes,
ये
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यही मैंने करा. तो BH is the area of first rectangle. BH plus BH सामने वाला rectangle का भी same area है. BH plus BH makes it 2BH. Okay. Similarly, LH is the area of one of the other rectangles. Third वाला rectangle अगर मैं बोलूँ उसका area LH है. ऐसे ही उसके सामने वाला that means the fourth one. उसके सामने वाले का भी area LH है. So LH plus LH makes it 2LH. So 2BH plus 2LH, if you take 2H common, it becomes 2H bracket में L plus T. Okay. This is the area of 4 walls of a room. Okay. It will be used in the questions when we do them. Although this should not be there in your syllabus because this topic is actually the topic of class 8. You are not studying surface area and volume this year. It will be in your syllabus next year, but still we are because it is given in your book. I am telling you. Okay.
Sir,
Diagonal of a
mensuration is
room.
in 6th book also, 6th class book.
Yes, mensuration is there. Mensuration is there since class, I think 3rd or 4th. Area and perimeter. Wherever you see area and perimeter, it is a topic which comes under mensuration. So mensuration
sir.
is a branch which has area, perimeter, surface area, and volume. All these things comes under the category of mensuration. So this year we are not studying surface areas. The
The
area of
circumference too.
area of 4 walls is a topic which comes under the category surface area. Surface area is not in your syllabus this year. It will come in class 8. But still this formula is given. That is why I am explaining. Some questions are also given on this formula. So I am explaining this. That is why when you come in class 8, I will be explaining this in more detail. Also the formula of volume, surface areas of cuboids, cubes, everything I will be explaining you in detail. And hopefully we will be having classes offline, so it will give me more freedom to explain everything to you in a much easier way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This too is also easy.
If I teach you next year, conditions apply.
Sir, but you teach till 8th or 9th also?
But I don't know whether I will be getting your class or not. I don't know. I'm not sure about it.
Sir, you will
Will-
teach us in 9th class.
I don't know.
So you will be the class teacher of 8C.
I want to be, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. So diagonal of a room का meaning क्या होता है? If you suppose एक room में you see the corners, how many corners are there?
The 4 vertices means the 8 vertices.
corners. Eight
Sir,
corners.
8. Sir, 8 corners.
8 corners are there in a room. तो एक कॉर्नर आप देखो, बिल्कुल बॉटम वाला एक कॉर्नर किसी रूम में देखिए, एंड उसके अपोजिट में टॉप वाला दूसरा कॉर्नर देख लो. ओके. एक डायगोनल का मीनिंग क्या होता है वो समझा रहा हूं. सपोज दिस इज योर रूम, इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. ठीक है, क्यूबॉइड की शेप में होता है. तो अगर मैं ये वाला कॉर्नर पकड़ लेता हूँ, ठीक है, बॉटम कॉर्नर एक पकड़ लिया, फिर इसके सामने वाले में टॉप वाला अपोजिट कॉर्नर, ओके, एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट टॉप में. इफ यू ज्वाइन दीज टू, दिस इज नोन एज द डायगोनल ऑफ द रूम. द लॉन्गेस्ट रॉड दैट यू कैन फिट इन अ रूम. एक रूम में अगर मैं लॉन्गेस्ट रॉड किसी तरीके से फिट कर दूं तो वो कौन सी होगी? एक बॉटम कॉर्नर से
So
Diagonal.
diagonal rod.
अपोजिट वाले टॉप कॉर्नर की बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होगी, दैट विल बी द लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्टेंस. दैट मींस द लॉन्गेस्ट रॉड दैट आई कैन फिट इन अ रूम, दैट इज नोन एज द डायगोनल ऑफ द रूम. उसी को डायगोनल बुलाते हैं. ओके. तो डायगोनल का फॉर्मूला फाइंड करने का है, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द डायगोनल, ये लेंथ होती है, ये एरिया होता है. एरिया और लेंथ में डिफरेंस होता है. द यूनिट ऑफ एरिया इज ऑलवेज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, मीटर स्क्वायर, किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, डेसीमीटर स्क्वायर, डेकामीटर स्क्वायर, कुछ भी हो सकता है, वहां पे स्क्वायर जरूर लगा होगा. बट whenever it is length, you will not see square. So it could be centimeter or kilometer or meter, but square will not be there. So it is a length. Diagonal is a type of length. ठीक है. So diagonal of a room is square root of length square. A room has 3 dimensions. रूम में 3 डायमेंशंस होती हैं, लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट, जो कि यहाँ पर भी यूज हुई है. सो लेंथ स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रेथ स्क्वायर प्लस हाइट स्क्वायर, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ डायगोनल ऑफ अ रूम. ठीक है. देन देयर इज स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर इज अगेन वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? Side into side, s into also equal to s square.
Square is the
L meter,
easiest.
4 multiplied by the side.
4 multiplied by side. Okay.
What is the formula of area of a triangle?
Area of a triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. There are other ways of finding area of a triangle also. एक तो तरीका है, if the height and base is given, you can find the area of a triangle by using this formula, half into base into height. And if all the 3 sides of the triangle are given and the height is not given, you can find the area by using Heron's formula, which you have not studied till now. You will be studying this formula, Heron's formula, in this chapter only, mensuration. For the first time ever in your life, you will be studying Heron's formula.
Area of triangle, sir.
Yes, using Heron's formula, you can find area of a triangle, which is
But
very
it's
important.
not the
Huh? Sorry?
sir, but where it is?
It is there in your book only. I will show you. It is maybe in the 3rd or 4th exercise. I'm not sure.
Sir, 20D.
You will do all exercise.
Yes, we will do all the exercises. Okay, so have you all written the formula? Now let us start with the exercise. Okay. We will be doing this exercise today.
Sir, the A1.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are. Can you do it on your own? The length is given and the breadth is given. You have to find the area of the rectangle. Do it for the first part. Question 1, first part. Do it on your own. Find the answer in your copies and tell me.
So 441 meters square.
Sir, 441 meters square.
Okay. Length into breadth. Just multiply length and breadth. You will get the area.
Sir, we have to do both the one or only one.
Only first part. In the second part, the length of the rectangular plot is given and the length of diagonal is given. Breadth is not given. And you have to find the area of this
Sir,
rectangle.
I got the answer as 441 meters.
Very good.
Sir, 441 meters square.
Correct answer.
Sir, 441.0.
441.
Very good.
Sir, now which question we have to do?
2.
We will be doing question number 2.
The
So on
diagonal
our
of a rectangle is square root of L square plus B square. Sir, like Pythagoras
You
theorem.
have to learn the formula of diagonal of a rectangle. Still we can do it without learning the formula. That is why I have not made you write down the formula of the diagonal of a rectangle.
Sir, done both the parts.
Sir, this exercise only has 20 questions.
Question number 2 of the exercise 20A. Find the area of rectangular plot whose one side is 48. So let us assume that length is given 48 meters. Diagonal is given, breadth is not given. Diagonal is given 50 meters. So rectangle is something like this. Okay. 48 meters, the length is given. And the length of the diagonal is given 50 meters. मुझे area निकालना है. To find the area, I want the breadth of the rectangle. Without the breadth, I cannot find the area. Breadth के बिना मैं area नहीं निकाल सकता. Am I right or not? So what should I
Yes,
do?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us assume that the breadth is x, and we know that in a rectangle all the angles are right angles. Can we use Pythagoras theorem in this and find out the breadth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have
Yes,
done
sir. We have to find the height only.
in the previous chapters. We have done this. Can we find the length of x by using Pythagoras or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
HYT
sir.
50 square is
means
equal
is
to
given.
48 square plus x
Sir,
square.
50 square minus 48 square.
Yes, very good. Equals to x square. So you have to write it that by using Pythagoras theorem, you can write it here. What? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square. Sorry, hypotenuse is 50. So hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. What is the square of 50? It is 2500 x square. What is the square of 48? Please tell me. 16, 64, 4 into 8, 32, 64, 407 plus 16 is
Sir,
24.
2304.
Okay, so x square is equal to 196. Subtract कर लेंगे 196. X is equals to square root of 196. So x equals to 14 meters. We have got the breadth of the rectangle. Now we can find the area. Area is equals to L into B. So that is 48 into 14. Tell me what is the product. 96 into 7. 7, 6.
72 meters square.
7, 9
Six-
are 63 plus 4, 67. 672 meters square. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 670.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
600.
72 meters.
Yeah.
Putting
Yes,
square
sir.
in the last 672 meter square is necessary.
Yes, this is the unit of area. Whatever type of area it is, let it, whether it be a area of rectangle or area of square or circle or triangle or area of four walls, किसी भी type का area हो, the unit is always in this form: meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square or something like that. अच्छा क्यों आता है यहाँ पर square? Let us see. Let me explain this कि यहाँ पर square आता क्यों है? Am I right or not?
Sir, because we multiply m meters by meter.
2 meter equals to
Yes. Yes. What is the length? It is 48 meter. What is the breadth? It is 14 meter. So 48 को 14 से हमने multiply कर दिया. This is 672. What about m into m? M और m भी तो multiply होगा. M into m is
M square, meter square.
square. So that is why the unit is 672 meters square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to do third by a
Yes. The sides of a rectangular park in the ratio are in the ratio 4:3. If its area is this, find the cost of fencing it at rupees 30 per meter. Okay, let me explain the question. क्या करना है? Then you can do it.
no, sir. Please
Sides
you
of
do,
the
sir.
park are
It's
4:3
looking hard.
and the area is given. Okay, so let us assume. Okay, I will help you in doing this because this is a new type of questions. You have questions, you have not done it. I will help you.
Sir, done this.
How many exercises are there in this chapter? 6 or 7 or 8?
Sir, F.
Till 6.
F.
F is the last exercise. So 6 exercises.
Sir, I
am-
got the, I
actually, there-
understood the question.
I'm assuming
So we
that
can
Sir,
do it
actually
by
there are 7, but
so we can do
D1
it by
is
sir
picked out.
4x into 3x is equal to 1728.
I'm assuming that one exercise on an average, one exercise will take 3 days. So 3 into 6, that means we need 3 periods. So we need 6 into 3, that means 18 periods for this chapter. At least. So it is 29th today. I think we will be able to complete it by 15th of February. Am I right? 15th or 16th or 17th, maybe something like that. 15th, maybe. We will try to finish it before 15th of February.
So in third question, we can do it by sir, so 4x into 3x is equal to 1728.
Yes, the same thing we have to do.
Sir, in 6 exercise, there are 106 questions.
Equals to 1728.
Yes. Okay, so not much time is left in this period for me to do this question on the board.
Which exercise 106 question?
We will be discussing. Sorry. Can you
Which exercise 106?
Sir, total 6 exercises have 106 questions.
106 questions. 106 only.
Yes, sir.
So 5 questions in one period. That means 21 periods. 6 questions
Sir,
मान
but some question we will leave also.
नहीं मतलब on including those, if we take 6 or 7 questions in one period, 6 period.
So sir, you can do it in only sir 2 to 3 weeks.
Now
If
that
you get
means
extra lecture.
nearly 15th of Feb only we will be able to finish it. In some periods we will be